How to add coins with credit card on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily purchase some coins on TikTok. The first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the TikTok application and open it up. Once you open this one up, all you have to do is head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then you'll find the three lines at the top right. Just tap on it and another pop-up menu will appear. Now from here, you are just going to head over to the balance section and it will show you your TikTok balance. So right here, you'll get your virtual card and you will see your coins, your estimated balance as well. Now, in order to get the coins, if you want to purchase them, you can just go ahead and click on this get option. And then you can choose different kind of offers from here for a different amount. Just select the one that you want to get. So just tap on one of them and then tap on get. Now all you have to do is tap on add credit or debit card. Just enter your card information. Your card will be linked to your TikTok and then you can purchase any amount of coin you want. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.